Thank you.
Good afternoon, Chairman and members of the committee. My name is Renee Carlson. I serve as General Counsel for True North Legal, which is a legal initiative of the Minnesota Family Council. House File 24 restores life-saving measures for infants who are victims of failed abortions, ensuring that life, the most basic fundamental human right, is afforded to all Minnesotans regardless of age. Under what is now current law, a doctor must simply provide care for the infant, whereas care is undefined, lacking clear legislative intent. As lawmakers, you understand words matter. And Chairman Backers, you made clear in 2023, this statute, as is currently drafted, presents legal confusion and ethical concerns for EMTs, doctors, nurses, and other medical personnel. House File 24 provides necessary legal clarity regarding the standard of care required for treating the victim of a failed abortion. Some members of this committee, even Governor Walz, have essentially argued that born alive protections are bills in search of a problem. That is unfounded, as the Minnesota Department of Health's own records tells us that infants in this state have been born alive after failed abortions. I draw your attention right here, members, to the packet that you have and turn to the report regarding the 2017 reports, again, that are provided in your packets. Here, the Minnesota Department of Health reported 3 infants born alive after an unsuccessful attempt to end their life. Even more troubling, the report indicates, quote, in one instance, no specific steps taken to preserve life were reported and the infant did not survive. This language leaves us to infer that these child's lives do not matter. How so? In Minnesota, legal penalties for animal cruelty range from a misdemeanor up to a felony, while there is no criminal penalty for leaving an infant abortion survivor to die on a cold metal table. Thus, Minnesota cattle and reptiles have more legal protections than these vulnerable children. Saying this rarely happens is also unreasonable, as one person's rights do not depend on how many other people's rights have been violated. Leaving one infant to die is one too many. As legislators, you have both a responsibility and a duty to craft laws that protect Minnesotans' most basic fundamental rights. House File 24 is a step in the right direction. Thank you, members.
Thank you.